Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty by Flory. In this video I'm showing you how I edit highlights and add them and also change them to the characters that I like or picture. And as you can see, you press your profile picture on the bottom, and then I'm going to tell you this is my logo pictures in colors, gray, white and red. So I'm going to go to Google, type in diamond ring round because I want a round one. I'll pick the one that shows the star. This is how I did it for my profile. Make sure your picture is not copyrighted or a screenshot that you're taking. A ring is not a copyright, so I'm good on that. Alright, so I like this one, so I'm going to choose that. And then I'm going to screenshot this. And then I'm going to go back to Instagram and choose the first edit, highlighter. And you want to keep them all the same, and then click more, edit highlight. And then press on edit cover on top. And now I'm going to press the picture button in the bottom and then choose the screenshot that I saved earlier from Google. So now I'm going to use 2 fingers and zoom in on my picture. And this is a warning, make sure the photo or character you're using is not copyrighted. So I zoom in all the way to the circle of the highlight and then press done. And then it's going to take time to complete. It's going to put me back to my highlight, and now I'm in profile and showing, bam. Okay, you do the same thing for the next one. And you press edit cover, and then automatically will show your last picture as you were working. You can go ahead and zoom that using 2 fingers, press done, done again, boom, it takes you there. Go to third one. You don't want to keep more than 5. 3 is minimum. And whichever you upload pictures, it's gonna move to the front. That's why you want to keep these highlighted pictures or characters the same. So that way, as you add pictures and videos to the highlights, even though they move to the front, it's just the name different. The picture remains the same. That's good and makes your Instagram page look nice. So as you can see, I'm doing the same exact thing over and over. And this is just an idea that came to my mind and it worked wonders for me. That's how you add new. You press new, and then it's gonna ask you to choose a story that you've made before. I'm gonna pick the suggested highlights in the bottom, and then press edit highlight in the bottom, and then edit cover, and there it is. It's showing the picture again. Just zoom in, press done. When you're ready, done again. And you can change the name of the highlight, but I didn't bother to change that at that time when I was recording. Now look, everything looks the same, looks beautiful. And it's gonna show you in front the main one I just added last. The name is weird, 5.21 weekend, but I can change that afterwards anytime I want. Thank you so much for watching. Follow Beauty by Flory. I give beauty tips and skincare to keep your skin young. I'm 36 years old, and I really like to help you out.